So we're going to talk about LPI part B. Part B start with the first passage. How do you start the first passage? You start the first passage with the first key point to remember is that. And the first key point to remember is that was connections. So you write the first key point to remember is that one must focus on key connections in order to become a number one agent in one's area. And then you expand it. How you expand it? Then you use the word moreover. Moreover means in Punjabi we say is to alawa. So moreover, comma, one must know the key people in the area, such as the president of Gurdwara, comma, the chairman of a temple, comma, the mayor of a mission, comma, the key builders in the area. So you write that, and then you give an example. So how you give an example? Then you say for example. You pick up a top-notch realtor in the area. Say for example, Rupinder Dhillon, or Rupinder Deveshwar and Raman Dhillon have connections with the key people in the city hall, comma, also connection with key builders, comma, as well as they have a connection with basically the president of Gurdwara and the president of a temple. And then you say, then you give the opposite. So how you do the opposite? Use the keyword on the contrary. On the contrary mean duje paase, jais the old. So on the contrary, then pick up any other realtor's name who is not successful. Then you say on the contrary, Rajwant Shekhon has no listing because he has no connections. And then you say, use the keyword as a consequence of this. As a consequence of this means natije wado. So as a consequence of this, comma, Raman Dhillon and Rupinder Deveshwar are number one realtor in the community because of their connection. Full stop. Then you use the word whereas dash is concerned. Whereas dash is concerned means jitto tak eda sawal hai. Now we were talking about connections. So use the word connections again. And what was the word connection? Whereas connections are concerned, comma, a successful realtor must have good connections in order to remain number one realtor in the community. Full stop. Then you end the passage. How you going to end? Use the keywords like in brief, in short, in summary. But here, for example, you use the word in brief. So in brief, one must have good connections in the community in order to become a number one realtor in one's area. Full stop. So this is how you end the passage. So these are more than sufficient words actually. Then you go to the second passage or third passage. But then now you use the key word, the second most important factor to keep in mind. So when you start the third passage, right, you say the second most important factor to keep in mind is that. What was the second? The second word we picked up was knowledge of your area, right? So basically the second most important factor to keep in mind is that one must know one's area very well. Full stop. Moreover, one should know all the sub areas of one's community. For example, then you give the example. There the word we use the for example. Now you use the word for instance. There we, in the first passage we use the word moreover, here you use the word furthermore. So mean furthermore one must know the sub areas in one's community, right? And now you use the word for instance. For instance means for example. For instance, Rupinder Daveshwar is well versed with his community in mission. He knows the area very well, right? So that's why he gets the maximum listings, right? And then you give the opposite example. On the other hand, in the first passage we use the word on the contrary. Here we're going to use the word on the other hand. On the other hand, Raman Man, right, is from Abbotsford, right, and he has no listing in mission. Now you give the opposite example. So as a result of this, Rupinder Daveshwar has maximum listings, right? And on the other hand, Raman Man has minimum listings. So as far as the knowledge of the area is concerned, in the first passage we use whereas, here you use word as far as. As far as the knowledge of area is concerned, it is very important to know your area. And then you end it. In short, here you use the word in short rather than in brief. In short, one should know one's area in order to become a successful realtor in one's area. So you end the second passage with the same note. Okay?